In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Ecwid. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, let's first discuss the importance of connecting Printify to your Ecwid store. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create custom products using your designs. When you connect it to your Ecwid store, you'll enable a seamless integration that can streamline your order fulfillment process. So, let's dive in. The first step is to log into your Ecwid account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Ecwid website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials. If you've already set up an Ecwid store, you should be welcomed by your dashboard, which is the interface where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Next, you'll want to head over to Printify. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one by signing up. The process is quite straightforward. Just provide your email address, create a secure password, and confirm your email address. Once you're logged into Printify, you'll see a similar dashboard, but with options tailored to creating and managing your products. Now that both accounts are ready, look for the Manage My Stores option in Printify. This feature allows you to connect various online stores and platforms to Printify. Clicking on this will take you to a new page, where you'll see the option to connect to Ecwid. When you click on the Ecwid logo or button, Printify will prompt you to authorize the connection between the two platforms. This step is essential, as it allows Printify to access your Ecwid store data, such as your products and orders. You'll be redirected to the Ecwid login page if you aren't logged in already, where you'll need to grant Printify permission to sync with your store. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once authorization is successful, Printify will take you back to its dashboard. Here, you'll find that your Ecwid store is now linked, and you're ready to start adding products. But before we dive into that, there's something crucial you could do. Check the settings and ensure everything is set up correctly. You'll want to verify that your currency settings, shipping rates, and other relevant preferences match between both platforms. Now let's talk about adding products. In Printify, head to the Catalog section, where you will see a wide array of products that you can customize, from apparel to home goods. Browse through the options, and when you find something you like, click on it. You can then start designing your product with your unique artwork or designs. Once you're satisfied with your designs, look for the button that says Add to Store. A drop-down menu should appear, allowing you to select your Ecwid store. Choose your store, and here's where the magic happens. All your custom designs will now be listed as products in your Ecwid catalog. After you've added your products, it's time to manage them in your Ecwid store. Go back to your Ecwid dashboard and navigate to the Products section. This area is where you can edit the details of the products you've just imported from Printify. You can update descriptions, set prices, and even optimize your product SEO to help customers find your items more easily. Finally, once you've got everything looking good, don't forget to check out your store's checkout process. It's vital to ensure that everything runs smoothly from the moment a customer decides to purchase a product until it's fulfilled by Printify. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to your Ecwid store and added custom products. This integration not only simplifies your workflow, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities for your online business. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!